Candy, what are you and the Boo Boo Corns making back there? It smells really good.
I'm inspired, Bon Bon. I've got a great big idea for feeding everyone at Sparklefest. You've heard of cake. You've heard of cake pops. The next step is cake popsicles.
You've done it again, mate. That's why you're the chef and I'm the driver of Rainbowville's most fantastic food truck.
Delicious desserts.
Sounds flat.
I wasn't flat. I sang on pitch.
Not a flat note, a flat tire.
Our beautiful baby has a boo-boo.
Good thing I always carry a spare tire. Candy, is this a blender?
It's my spare blender, in case something happens to my main blender.
This is supposed to be for an extra tire, not a backup blender.
Oh, that's what that was for. The cannonball!
We've got to think of some other bright idea. Missy is counting on us to make it to Sparklefest.
We can't give up. We can bake our way out of anything. After all, we're delicious desserts. I've got an idea. I'm gonna need a lot of flour. I present to you the delicious driving donut.
We're saved.
Do not forget the sprinkles.
Delicious.